Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix 0xC0EA000A error code in Windows 11. First method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Windows Time, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start, click Apply, click OK, restart the service. Second method is click Start, System, click Activation. Click I changed hardware on this device recently, then do activation troubleshooting. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type slmgr space, -ipk space, type Windows product key, after entering product key, press Enter key. Type slmgr space, -ato. After typing, press Enter key. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.